2005 is the 100th anniversary of the United States Forest Service. But why does the Forest Service even exist? In the tall tales of the 1880s, Paul Bunyan was a heroic figure, single-handedly logging the North Woods to provide lumber for a young, expanding nation and clearing the land for farms, cities, and other industries. The truth was that nearly all of the pine and hardwood forests, especially in the Great Lakes states, were pillaged. The young conservation movement was determined not to allow that in the West. In this context, America's first professional forester, Gifford Pinchot, and President Theodore Roosevelt created the U.S. Forest Service in 1905. Roosevelt designated 17 million acres as national forests just hours before his legal authority to do so expired. The concept of multiple uses of national forest has changed over time. Logging, mining, livestock grazing, and water development have always been allowed under varying levels of regulation. Over time, the values of wildlife, outdoor recreation, and wilderness have grown in importance. The United States Forest Service administers 9.4 million acres in Wyoming, or about 15% of the state. It's the state's second largest landowner. So happy 100th birthday, U.S. Forest Service. I'm Gene Gade of the University of Wyoming Cooperative Extension Service.